You know, it has come to my attention that apparently I have not covered a whole lot of root beer related things on this social media or any of the socials or on this channel or just anywhere, right? I thought maybe I did at some point cover like more root beer stuff, but I apparently didn't. I don't know why. Root beer is one of my favorite drinks growing up as a kid. And I loved it because, you know, root beer is one of the few sodas that I could just consistently have, never get sick of. A lot of root beer had no caffeine and still doesn't, and just tasted really good. And I love root beer floats, and just, I love root beer. Root beer is really good. It's really tasty. And I think the only root beer taste tester thing I officially did was the A&W ice cream sundae thing a while back, which I'm being serious. Being serious. Look at me. Look, you're not paying attention. You're not paying I know you're about to click off. Look at me. Look at me. Whatever you do, go and stock up, hoard it, go nuts, go to your local grocery store and get the A&W ice cream sundae flavor. It is so fucking good. I am not shitting you. It is delicious. It's really good. And if you freeze it just a little bit and turn it into a popsicle, it's really good. And it's really good on ice. It's perfect at any time of the year. And this needs to be a permanent flavor, but the problem is it won't. And just go get it. Go get it. It's really good. Go get it. Anyhow, just go get it. So, why is this flavor really, really good? It's just really good. But aside from that, the flavors are really good. Nonetheless, my coworker saw the A&W ice cream sundae one that I did, and so did quite a few of you. And I figured I'd cover more A&W flavors and just more root beer flavors in general and more root beers. So I'm really surprised that I've never covered the A&W Zero Sugar cream soda flavor. So this guy and my amazing coworker was kind enough to give me a can at work for me to review. And it's only got 100 milligrams of salt, which is 4%, and no carbs, no sugars, no proteins, no fats. It's just just A&W cream soda. And I got a cup of ice right here, minus some melted ice water. And we're gonna crack this baby open, and we're gonna have a big sippy. For all you ASMR people out there. Sorry if you heard any audio. That was from a different video that's rendering. Sometimes that happens. While I'm recording one thing, I'm rendering another thing. Oh, that's so good. That's just so good. That's just really good. That's just so good. That's just really, really good. That just tastes like a really good cream soda with a little root beer taste. Nothing else needs to be said. See? Now I got some bubbles. Also, for those wondering and for YouTube wondering, I'm wearing a robe because it's cold outside and it rained past couple of days and I want to be nice and warm and cozy. This is me on my off day. Leave me alone. Oh, that's really good. It's not too creamy. You still taste root beer. You still taste the caramel coloring. Still taste that vanilla. Still taste that creamy flavor, but it's not overpowering. The root beer flavor is not overpowering. Everything is just perfectly balanced. Oh. Oh, yeah. That brings me back to my childhood. At least one of the few pleasant memories of my childhood, but still. The cream soda A&W is really good. If you can find that flavor as well too, obviously go and get it. It's really delicious. The ice cream sundae one is still my favorite. I would say it's number one above regular A&W root beer. I would say this would be number two. And regular A&W root beer would be number three. All three great flavors. So, A&W, if you have any more of that zero sugar ice cream sundae in a warehouse or something, please just send me a 12-pack or two. That'll get me through past Christmas. I'll love you forever. I'll make a video. I'll make a follow-up video. I'll post it on socials. I'll tag you. Just tell me what I gotta do, and like I'll be happy. It's so good. So, anyhow, I just want to enjoy some root beer on camera. I think more than anything, and just violently yell at you guys to get the ice cream sundae flavor again. So, it's just that good. So, anyhow, more stuff to come later.